Hi guys, well today I'm reading the story Hippos by Lisa Charlesworth. Hippo, hippo, say Hippo. Hippo had the hippos. His friends come to help. Drink water, say Giraffe, but that didn't work. Hippo, say Hippo. Spin around, said Sarah, but that did not work. Hippo, said Hippo. Stand on your head, says Monkey, but that did not work. Hippo, said Hippo. Roar, said Lion. That did work. Lion scared Hippo, so no more hippos. Thank you, said Hippo. Now can you help me to stop shaking? Bye. I will see you in the other video. Make sure to subscribe in the channel and give in this video a like. Bye.